Fanatix, here's another one of your 427s. It's got done running. Good description, it's a combination. It's got the LPR cylinder heads on it. It's got one of our aftermarket blocks. Little rock manifold, poly carburetor, MSD Pro billet. It's got your front end on it. It's got a custom ground hydraulic roller. Some oil pan. Show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500, 507 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 533, peak horsepower 492. So everything's good. Get it off there, get in the crate, come your way. Have a great day.